students, how are you? This is me Anam and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to study about the intersection of sets. In my previous video, we have already studied about the union of sets. Now we're going to talk about intersection of sets. Okay, so first of all, we should understand what do we mean by intersection of sets. Okay, if you remember the union of sets, the term union of sets, it's mean that union means that to combine the elements of two sets or more sets together into one set. Now, when it comes to intersection, intersection is the opposite of union, which means that instead of combining the sets, we're going to identify the common elements from the sets and write them down. Okay, intersection of sets means finding the common elements between the sets. Okay, now it is denoted by the symbol, this kind of symbol. Okay, the union one was U, and this is the opposite shape. Okay, you can call it as an um, inverted U. Okay, so let's take an example. It will help you understand the intersection of sets more. All right, now let's talk about two sets. We have two sets here, like set A is A, B, C, D, and set B is C, D, E, F. Now we have to um, find out the intersection. We have to find out A intersection B. Now, how are we going to do it? All right, now this term is read as A intersection B. Okay, so first we're going to write the sets here, right? Like we did it in the union. We're going to put the intersection sign here and we are going to write the other set here. Now, brackets open. Now we're going to see the common elements here. Now, the common elements that you see in these two sets are this C, D, C, D. Alright, so intersection means that we have to write down only the common elements here. So, the common elements here are C and D. So this is what A intersection B means. Taking out the common elements from all the sets given and writing them down in a set. Alright. So let's take another example. This will help you understand this intersection much better. Let's suppose we have the C, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the set D here is 2, 4, 6. All right. Now they have also asked us to find out C intersection D. Right. So first of all, we're going to write the sets here. Now we're going to see which of these elements are common. Here we have 1. Do we have 1 here? No, it's not. Here we have 2. Is 2 present here? Yes, it is. 3 is not present here. 4 is present? Yes. 5 is present? No. So the only elements common we have here are 2 and 4. So we're going to write 2 and 4 here. So this is your answer. Okay. So this is how you find out the intersection of sets. Okay. Intersection of sets means finding out the common elements in the given sets. And what did union mean? Union means to combine the elements of the given sets together into one set. Okay, so this is intersection of sets. Now let's move on to study how we're supposed to find out the intersection of two or more sets. Okay. All right. Now let's talk about the intersection of two or more sets. Right now here we have been given three sets. Okay, so set A is A, B, C, D, E, F. The elements of set B is A, E, I, O, U, and the elements of set C is E, F, G. Now, what they have asked is, since we have three sets, so we rather solve them by using brackets. Okay, so the brackets will be given to you in the question, like how you're supposed to solve them. So here we have a bracket A intersection B, bracket close, intersection C. Okay, so for the first two sets, A and B are in a bracket, and then we have been given set C. It means that first we're going to solve A and B sets, and then we're going to solve further for set C. Okay, this also happens in union. Okay, when you are given like more sets, three or more sets, you are given them uh, brackets. Okay, so you have to solve them in brackets, right? Now let's talk about this. So if we have A and B in brackets, so first of all we're going to have these round brackets, and we're going to write the A set here: A, B, C, D, E, and F. Intersection B is A, E, I, O, bracket close. Intersection C, E, F, and G. Now, if you remember, the rule of solving brackets is that whenever you have brackets given in a question, you first have to solve whatever is between the brackets and then you move further, right? So first of all, we're going to solve the brackets. So here we have A, B, C, D, E, F, intersection A, E, I, O, U. Now we have to look for the commons that we have here because intersection is being performed in these two sets. So the common one here is A and A. B is here, no it's not here. C is here, no it's not. D, no. E, yes. F is not present, right? So first of all, we're going to write the commons between these two sets, which are A and E. Now we're going to write the C, which is E, F, G. Now we have to look for the commons between the remaining C set and the intersection we solved for the sets A and B. Now A is not present here, but E is present here. So the common between these is E. So we're going to write E here. Now the basic concept of solving is this because we have to find out the common between the three sets. Okay. We don't usually use brackets in solving the union one because you have to combine everything together. But in terms of intersection, brackets is very necessary because you group the two sets first and then you calculate it for the intersection and for the common ones, and then you move further to the other given sets to find out more. It becomes easier when you use brackets. All right, so here you can see that we are supposed to find the common between the three sets, not just the two sets, three sets. Now the only the only element which is common between these three sets is the term E, which is written over here. Okay, now let me give you another example. It might help you understand it better. Let's suppose we have a set M given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have a set N which is and we have set O which is 1, 3, 5, 7. Now we are here to find out M intersection and intersection O. Okay. Now, here you can see that the brackets will be given to you in the question. How the brackets are placed, how you're supposed to find them is given in the question itself. Okay. You don't have to put the brackets yourself. Even if you are asked to find the commons between these two and the brackets are not given, you are supposed to first combine the two, any of the two sets. Sorry, put any of the two sets in the brackets and then solve it further for the third one. Okay, now here we have brackets around N and O. So first we're going to write the M, which is outside the brackets: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Intersection, bracket open, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, intersection 1, 3, 5, 7, and bracket close. We're going to write the first one as it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because it's not being used right now. It's not being solved right now. And now we're going to write the common terms of these. So 1 is common in both of them. 2 is not present. 3 is present. Sorry, 3 is present. 5, 7 is not present. So we're going to write only the common ones, which are 1 and 3, and here. Now we have to look for the common ones. Do we have 1 and 3 in the set M? Yes, we do have 1 here and we do have 3 here. But none of them are present. So we're not going to write any of them. We're only going to write the ones that are common. Right? So this is how it is supposed to be solved. Right? So I hope you understand the concept of how the intersection is being done, how it is being done in two um, sets, and how it is being done in three sets, right? So this was today's lecture. I hope you understand it. Now I'm going to further discuss more about the operations on sets, and we're going to discuss further about the cumulative and associative and distributive properties on intersection and the union of sets. So wait for my another lecture. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll get notified about it. Okay, so meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.